Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. Honey, I need y'all to sit down real quick, because when I tell y'all I'm gonna expose y'all to some heat. Now, real quick, y'all already know my favorite leave-in in the world is my baby daddy, aka Untie not from TreLuxe, right? Hold on, child. This child bragging about this thing and flipped it the wrong way. So look, I did my hair right here, using a new product that has dethroned Untie the Knot in my heart. Now don't get it twisted, Untie the Knot is always gonna be bae, but there's a new product out from TreLuxe that is so stupid crazy. I was like, oh, back, give me 10. So I'm being ready to expose y'all to that. But real quick, on the off chances you're new here, what's up, y'all? My name is Faye. How you doing? I love the brand TreLuxe. They make some bomb products. I've been raving about this particular product for a few years now. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I got this wash and go, which just might be my best wash and go of 2022. Now, if you're not familiar with TreLuxe, it just so happens to be an amazing black-owned company. It's made for curlies, by curlies. They understand the kids. They don't use any harmful products, no silicones, no sulfates, no parabens, no artificial colors. Child, the stuff smell like Christmas morning as far as this one goes. Child, everything is just bomb. Like, they make really high quality, just like, to me, amazing products. And so right now we are in one of the most wonderful times of the year where not only are we giving holiday cheer bars, spending time with family and all that other good stuff, but we spending some money. And TreLuxe is here to give you a Black Friday sale and where you don't have to spend all your money. Okay, you understand the saints like to save their coins. So look down in the description box, click the link, and you'll see all the information about all the upcoming sale. Like, seriously, it is amazing. And so this is the opportunity that I am so excited to share with you all, and it is how I got this wash and go. In this particular video, I am going to show you Curl, Renew, and Restore. What is wrong with me? There we go. It's Curl, Renew, and Restore. This is what I use to cleanse my hair. Then I'm going to show you, hold on, let me make sure I got it right. Untie the Knot. This is what I use to condition my hair. And then I'm going to show you this top secret product. Actually, you know what? No long intro. Let's get into this wash day. But y'all make sure y'all take advantage of the Black Friday sale. Click the link and read the description box. Everything you need to know right there. Let's get into this wash day. First things first, Curl, Renew, and Restore. This is something that I absolutely love. It gently cleanses my hair. It gives me a really good lather as long as I use a lot of water. Like, it never ever strips my hair, but it removes the buildup and everything like that. Like, seriously, this gentle cleanser literally is just that. It gently cleanses my hair. It's one of my favorite products, like, literally on the market. So I use this 2 good times to get my hair really clean. Like, and after I'm done, my hair feels moisturized, it feels soft, but it feels very clean. Again, this is a sulfate free cleanser. It's for all hair types. No parabens, no silicones, no artificial colors, all that other good stuff. This is A1 since day one for me. This is a great cleanser. So that's what I did twice. It actually has coconut milk and slippery elm extract. If you know about that slippery elm, in my experience, it adds a lot of slip, so I never have to worry about my hair tangling up on top of each other. It actually makes a really good easy shampoo for me. So I did cleanse my hair with Curl, Renew, and Restore, and then I went in with my baby daddy. Y'all know what that is. Y'all know what it is. Untie the Knot. I love Untie the Knot because it has tomato extract in it, and that's something that I don't really see a lot of. I don't think I've ever seen anybody talk about tomato extract, but anyway, it smells like Christmas morning. It's so delightful, especially this time of year, honey. It's the most wonderful time. But every single time I use it, it makes wash day so easy for me. I make sure I put it on soaking wet hair. Now, you do not need a whole lot, but I'm Miss Extra in every way, so I do go a little heavy-handed with it. Don't be like me, be better. But anyway, a little bit goes a long way on soaking wet hair. I make sure I saturate all of my strands, and then this one is also paraben, silicone, sulfate, and artificial color free. Every single time I use it, it not only makes my hair feel amazing, but it smells amazing. Like, seriously, this is super moisturizing. Now, you can use this as a leave-in. You can also use it as a deep treatment. We love multi-use products, all right? You get one and done or whatever. So I use this as a deep conditioner that I leave in. You see where I'm going with this? You see what I'm doing? And now we pause this great theatrical production to have a little word from our sponsor. And I don't mean TreLuxe. Honey, who's the boss of this channel that some of y'all prefer to see more than me? Who's the boss of this channel that some of y'all prefer to see more than me? On the count of 3, despite the fact that I absolutely hate it, I need y'all to say, hey, Samantha, 1, 2, 3. What? Okay, hold on. All right, hold on. Look at, girl, tell me I ain't feeling this thing on up. You, come on, more hair growth. All right, so I'm gonna let this actually sit in my hair. I'm gonna use it as a leave-in. I'm not gonna rinse it out because leave-in. I'm gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and we gonna style with this no. Y'all know I had to do it for the holiday season. So anyway, I did let this sit for 15 minutes under a cap. I didn't use any extra heat, and then when I was done, I just went ahead and detangled my hair with a wide tooth comb, and that is how I moisturized my hair. Felt amazing. And then that leads me to the third and final product that I use for this wash day. Honey, let me introduce you to the king of my heart, and that is TreLuxe's new curl defining mousse. It's the Soothe and Restore curl defining mousse. Honey, let me get you hip real quick because this is brand new, and I'm telling you, this one is in charge of the girls. Like, listen to me, in charge of the girls. And I want to read you a few details just to make sure I hit all the points, because I really want you to know what this is and what it's for and all the benefits of it without me stuttering Stanley. So it's 100% vegan, 100% natural fragrance, 100% cruelty free, 97% naturally derived ingredients, no sulfates, no parabens, no silicone, no gluten, no phthalates, and no known toxic ingredients. And so really key ingredients that they're focusing on is number one, oat milk. And the reason they use oat milk is because it's to soften and to strengthen your hair. And then they also use vitamin E. And vitamin E is good for antioxidant. It supports scalp health. It supports anti-aging with your hair strands. Like, seriously, it is really, really good. And so together, you get the oat milk, you get the vitamin E, bada boom, bada bing. You got magic in a bottle. Honey, let me tell you about this mousse. You do not need a lot, but again, y'all know I'm heavy handed for everything. And so for every section that I did, I used 2 to 3 pumps of this mousse. Let me tell you something. It was so time saving because the slip on this is stupid bananas. When I tell you, I could just run my fingers right through my hair. As I was rubbing it in, first of all, I felt moisture on my skin immediately. I was like, oh honey, what's going on here? Like, it was moisturizing when I put it on, but as I was rubbing it in, that slip, it was just so crazy. It was easy to glide through my hair versus having to take a gel and then possibly shingle and make sure every strand is coated. Because of the viscosity of this, I was able to easily spread this. So seriously, one section, 2 to 3 pumps, rub it in real quick. It took less than 60 seconds per section. Like, seriously, I didn't have to do any shingling. I felt this instantly clump my curls together. When I tell you this blew me away immediately, I mean that. And so I did go through all of the sections, and I put 2 to 3 pumps, and I let it air dry. And when I was done, I was looking a little something like this. Hold on. I was supposed to come back to y'all when my hair was dry. I just need y'all to come in close so you can see what I see. Child, do you see how defined my hair is? Okay, TreLuxe, I see you, girl. I was super impressed, but you know, of course, the true test of a product is what it does once it's dry. So I did get under the hooded dryer, and voila. Like, do I even need to say anything else? Like, really? I am in freaking love with this mousse. I mean, everything. Don't get me wrong, TreLuxe, y'all got everything popping, but this, baby, y'all put y'all foot in this, Miss Courtney. Y'all, this is seriously one of my best wash and goes to date. Like, I've been rocking with the wigs, the braids, the units, and all of that, but seeing my hair like this, I was like, oh baby, it's time to bring the wash and goes out. So shout out to TreLuxe for this Smooth and Restore. This mousse is so lit. Make sure y'all check out the links in the description box. Get all of your savings now, like right now. If you can get this, listen, get it now, honey. This is child instant staple. Like, seriously, I rock out with every wash and go with this, and I ain't just saying this because it's sponsored. Y'all know I love me some TreLuxe, whether it's sponsored or not. This been my baby daddy. Now this one, oh honey, I was gonna say something real inappropriate. Just know I love it. So with that being said, welcome to the holiday season. Welcome to sale season. Make sure you take advantage of the Black Friday sale. Again, all the information that you need associated with the sale is in the description box. For this particular wash and go, it was just 3 steps. I used the curl, renew, and restore to wash, untie the knot to condition, and this bad boy right here, honey, you can't tell me nothing with this hair mousse. Like, seriously, I need to shut up because I'm talking a lot, but I'm telling you, this is fire. So if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all. Maki Dada. I'm out this piece, and make sure y'all go shop now. Matter of fact, let me go get some before it sell out because I ain't got time for y'all to be playing with me. Y'all take up all my stuff and then I got to put another wig on. All right, so I'll see y'all later. Bye.